Hello everyone. Hi Capricorn. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, energy could be vice versa. So Capricorn, let's see your messages and what's going. Capricorn, Earth sign. Let's see what's going. I think you are stand by your power, Capricorn. You are very straightforward and very honest in this connection because Queen of Wands and the Emperor. I think you both are stubborn and you both are strong, but you are very honest in this connection, Emperor, and you stand by your power. But I think one person in this connection right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. This person is not talking to the other person. I think it could be your person or it could be you also. Energy could be vice versa. I think your person, I am getting what I am here. So what I am getting here, your person undergoing major transformation. Yeah. Because the Hermit with the Death. Definitely they are undergoing some major transformation. And Three of Pentacles. They want to work on this relationship. Yeah. I think if you are in separation, your person is coming back for reconciliation to work on this relationship, but after transformation. Okay. Some honest communication, some communication. I think your person may be spying on you on social media. There is some spying, but some communication is coming in your way. They want to approach you. They want to communicate you. Yeah, they're still hoping for this connection if you're in separation, because Six of Cups is here, reconciliation, and Three of Cups, collaboration and partnership. Definitely they want to work on this relationship after the separation. Now your person realizing your worth if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they want to commit to you. They want to marry you. If you are in relationship, so if you are in separation, definitely they are coming back for reconciliation. I think you both are very strong couple, but this time you stand by your power. Okay, Queen of Wands and Emperor. Definitely I think your person may be some ego issues I am getting, because Emperor is stubborn. Aquarius, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Taurus. Sorry, Virgo, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. Your person could be Scorpio also. Definitely some major transformation is going in this connection in one person's life. I think it's your person what I am getting here. Yeah, they now realizing your worth after transformation. I think right now there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Definitely you will receive some message from your person, and they will approach for reconciliation. Yeah. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Capricorn, your person current feelings first. Two of Swords, Seven of Wands, Eight of Swords came in reverse. Yeah. So what I'm seeing here, definitely they are changing. In past, maybe your person cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some deception and some sneaky energy in past, but it came reverse. Yeah, your person changing for you. Definitely they're changing for you, and they're realizing you both after the separation. I think for some it could be third party situation also in past. Now your person won't give up on you. Definitely there is some third party situation. Your person have to make some decision. Two of Swords, they're at some crossroads. Definitely they're going to be choose you, Capricorn, because they won't give up on you. They want to work on this relationship now. and Seven of Swords came reverse. Definitely they are now realizing your worth. I think they did something wrong to you in past. Now they are realizing your worth. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Okay, King of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Hierophant. Yeah, they want to commit to you. I already told you some marriage proposals are coming. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because right now they are undergoing some transformation, major transformation, because the Death and Hermit. Definitely they are undergoing some major transformation. And King of Swords. Yeah, definitely some communication. Definitely they are rushing towards you. And when the time comes, definitely they will, nothing gonna stop them to come towards you, because Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, definitely they won't give up on you. And Wheel of Fortune with Hierophant, definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you and to offer this commitment and marriage proposal. Yeah, they're coming back to offer marriage or commitment to this connection and some communication. In past your person may be sneaky, but now for some definitely your person really changing for you. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, depending upon your situation you have to make decision, because here Seven of Swords is came reverse. Okay, so you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So outcome. Chariot. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Temperance. Three of Swords. Under the deck, Eight of Swords. Yeah, I think you are very heartbroken what they did to you in past. Definitely you are heartbroken, Capricorn, I am getting, or your person could be, definitely, because these are outcome. I think your person now realizing your worth, they are also heartbroken for the separation, and they want to offer equal give and take, because Six of Pentacles with Chariot, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Chariot is very slow moving energy, still there is some movement. And Temperance, definitely patience is the key here. Definitely your person patiently waiting for you for the right time to come towards you, and this time they are very committed, because they're changing for you. Yeah, for some maybe your person playing games with you, so take what resonate. What I'm seeing here, definitely they are feeling very sad, and they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, and they want to work on this relationship. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, or Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation, definitely, but you will take, one person will take time to make decision, because Temperance, I think some patience, and Wheel of Fortune is also there waiting for the right time. So Capricorn, let's see your overall energy for the week. Eight of Swords, Six of Wands, see, Six of Pentacles, and you are feeling overburdened because you only the person always investing in this connection. There is no equal give and take, but it's coming now. They are ready to offer equal give and take. And Six of Wands, yeah, definitely they want success with you, and you are working towards your goals and careers. For some, definitely you will get success there. And stuck, yeah, you are literally stuck on your person right now, Capricorn. Sometimes you feeling stuck on this energy, but you overcome this and you will stand by your power now. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Cups, Empress came in reverse, and Temperance, and Queen of Cups. Yeah, definitely this time they want to compromise you. Yeah, because Empress came reverse, definitely they have strong emotions for you. Temperance two times, right time in divine timing, what I'm getting here. Yeah, Empress came in reverse because they want to compromise. They want to first they want to make effort this time, that's why. And Ace of Cups, definitely their love towards you is overflowing. There is love, definitely your person loves you. Ace of Cups is here, there is love. Yeah, your person want to offer this love to you, and they have strong emotions. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. So yeah, they're coming back to offer marriage or stability, but it's up to you. Finally, you have to make decision. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.